Running a handyman business means managing a lot of moving parts, but the sales process shouldn't be one of the ones that gives you a big headache. That's why we built the Handyman BrandPack to give you simple, powerful systems to manage your leads, close jobs, and grow your business. My name is David. I founded Better Story Marketing, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use your sales pipeline. You'll learn how to track every lead, move them step by step from interested to booked without dropping the ball. So let's make sure every one of these opportunities turns into revenue for you.
All right, so to get to your opportunities and pipelines in your marketing OS built on high level as part of your Handyman BrandPack, you're just going to click opportunities over here. And you'll see here in opportunities is this nice pipeline. And you actually have two pipelines to choose from. And these are based on a typical flow of how someone becomes a lead. Then maybe they schedule a consult call. You go and do an estimate. You send a proposal. You probably have to follow up. And they sign it. And they say, yay, I'm in. I want you to do that. They become a customer, which means then maybe you send them a deposit. They pay that deposit, you schedule work, you complete the work, you send them a final invoice. Now, your process may actually be simpler than this, and that's why, even though this is built, ready for you to use, done for you, it's also customizable because we know everybody's business is a little different. So to edit either one of these pipelines you have here, you'll just click on pipeline, and you can see, you can come over here to this little pencil and edit. So we're editing the second one, the work, and say you don't have to do a deposit, which I don't know if I'd recommend that, but you can delete both of these and take that off, or you can change the order, or you can add a new stage, a lot of different ways. And when you do that, you want to click save to take care of that. And you can do the same thing for the new customer one, or you can create a new pipeline altogether because maybe you have something different, a little different process that you want to track. So that's how you can create new pipelines. This is how you can then edit them so that you can keep track of all of your opportunities here as you are helping these homeowners recognize that you help them get their to-do list done so they can hire you and you can get paid and your business can grow.
Hey, thanks for watching. These videos, they're designed for those who have a Better Story marketing brand pack built on high level that helps you make the most of your marketing system. Now, if you don't have a brand pack yet, no worries. Just check out the link down in the description and you can grab yours today. It gives you everything you need to grow your business smarter, faster, and easier and get things up and running in days, not weeks or months. But if you prefer to build it all from scratch, we've got you covered there too. The other link down in the description will let you just sign up for a simple high-level account without the brand pack so that you can just start building things on your own. But if this video is helpful, please make sure to hit that like button to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips. We're here to help you launch and grow the kind of business that you want to own. I'll see you in the next video.